Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm doing a cute peachy set and I'm using Lola loose glitter, and then I'm using peachy and also Medjooli, which is a gorgeous neon coral acrylic. It's honestly absolutely stunning. I'm also using crystal clear to cap any designs and nails that I do, especially with the glitter as well. I'm also going to be using the number 12 rainbow aqua brush, which is absolutely freaking gorgeous. I'll also be using super gloss and instant nail glue along with the crystals, and yeah, that's pretty much everything. There will be some extras, but I'll be sure to list those down below. And this is the set that I'm doing. I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back. Okay, so I've already applied my clear almond nail tips and I'm coming in with Medjooli acrylic powder. So this is a duo marble powder, which means that it can be used as a marble. So you would just swirl the powder or the bead as it is there, you would swirl it and that would create a nice marbled nail. But if you want it as a solid colour, just apply your bead and use the excess monomer in your brush to stroke lightly the powder into place, and that's going to give you a nice even solid colour that is so creamy and gorgeous to look at, and honestly so stunning. Like, a neon coral is such a hard colour to find, so it was very important for us to bring one of these out. Also guys, if I'm talking a little bit funny or you hear me pausing a lot, I currently have 2 ulcers at the bottom of my mouth and they are so freaking painful. So if you've had an ulcer, you guys know what I'm talking about. Let's just not even go there. The struggle is real. Anyway, over this nail I'm coming in with Lola and I'm just applying that over the top and kind of ombreing it down as best I can, especially with a dot mix glitter. They are a bit more chunkier, so they don't really kind of, you know, gradient as much as a finer glitter would. So on this nail I'm coming in and I'm doing a marble nail, but that is going to include Medjooli, peachy, and also I think I used Toasted Rose. I'm sure I did, either Toasted Rose or Nude Attitude. For whatever reason, my brain is not playing with me and I cannot remember, but I'll list it down below for you guys. So I'm just combining the 3 powders on this nail and blending them and marbling them around. So when you're doing a marble, you want to apply your acrylic quite wet and just make sure that you don't kind of mush all your colours together into one, because then you're not going to see the difference between each shade. Even like, especially when they're so similar like this, you're literally just going to melt them into each other and you won't be able to see the difference. But as you can see, I'm using as little strokes as possible to get the best results. Also guys, if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell as well so you don't miss any of my uploads. For this next nail I'm coming in with Medjooli at the free edge area and I'm blending that down as a solid colour, and then coming in with Peachy, which is this gorgeous coral like pastel glitter infused acrylic from Nailmate, and I'm applying that at the cuticle area and blending it over the top of the existing colour that I have there. I'm then going to use that dot mix glitter, which is called Lola, and just place that on the nail wherever I felt I wanted to have the glitter. So when you're applying the glitter, I mean, there kind of is wrong ways of doing it, but not really, if that makes sense. So just be free with it and apply it wherever you want and it will all just tie together in the end. That's my advice. Obviously you can be more strategic when you're placing your glitter pieces and apply them individually if you wanted. That is totally an option as well. When I'm applying my loose glitters as well, I literally just use a medium or small sized wet bead of clear acrylic, and it just really helps easily apply the glitter without having any extra bulk or anything like that. So moving on to the pinky finger, and I'm applying a full nail of the peachy glitter infused acrylic, and I'm doing this to the full nail because I really love that acrylic and I wanted to use it a little bit more in the set. So I thought a full nail of this on the pinky finger and the thumb would just be gorgeous. Also, don't forget to check out my website, which I've left on the screen. It's glitterplanetuk.com, and you will find all of the products I'm using on there. I'll make sure to list the name of them down below so that when you reach the website, you can search whichever product you are looking for. So once I've finished applying my acrylic products, I'm going to come in with Crystal Clear and I'm going to encapsulate the entire design. And this is where we are going to build our structure as well, which creates strength for the nail and makes them last longer and keeps them nice and, what's the word? Let's just say strong, because I can't think of the word, it literally just left my head. It keeps them strong and balanced for your client. So as your client's nails grow out, this does obviously need replacing when they come for a fill, which is why an infill is recommended at 2 to 3 weeks is actually the recommended time. I know a lot of clients go 3 to 4 weeks. Some of my clients by accident went a lot longer than that, which is not something that nail techs usually recommend, just because when the structure is out of balance, you may well do yourself some damage. So definitely get in for fills when recommended and maintain the nails, and always try and book your client before they leave for the next set or for their next refill or maintenance appointment. Once I've finished encapsulating all of my nails, I'm coming in and I file and buff my nails off camera, and then we are going to add some crystals just to make these nails extra sparkly and cute. So I'm just using the instant nail glue and the clear crystals. These are the mixed crystals with the wax pencil from my website, and I'm just going to go ahead and arrange some crystals nicely on the nail. So the top tip to using instant nail glue to adhere your crystals is to apply these before you add the top coat. This is just going to make your crystals last the whole duration that your client is wearing the nails. And when you apply the top coat, don't go over the top of your crystals. Make sure to go around and between them with a fine detailing brush, and this will really make sure that your crystals are on there super strong and they are going to be super durable for your clients, no matter what lifestyle they have or what job they are working. You should be able to get those crystals to last the entire length of the set. So now that I'm happy with this little crystal arrangement, I'm coming in with Nailmate Super Gloss, and I'm just going to apply this to the full set and then cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. This is my favourite part. You guys know I love applying the top coat. I love seeing the glitter and the colours just come to life and really pop off the nails. It is super exciting, and I don't know, it just makes me super happy to see a set finished and shining in all its glory with super gloss over the top. So yeah, I love this combination. I think it's gorgeous for summer and spring, and oh my god, I just love it. I think coral's such a gorgeous colour, but it's so hard to get like a nice neon-y coral colour, if you know what I'm saying. If you know, you guys know it's difficult, but here she is. It's beautiful. So guys, this is the final result. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below as to what you thought, if you liked the combination. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Please follow me on Instagram at Ninja Nail Fairy, and always remember guys that you are bomb.com. Let us fuck and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Goodbye.
I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.